This looks like a simple wreath, but wait till you see it come to life with animation, all done in PowerPoint. In this video, we are crafting a magical floral wreath animation using just PowerPoint. Perfect for festivals, greetings, or creative presentation. Let's create this stunning floral wreath in just minutes. Start by inserting a PNG image of a floral garland. Resize it to about 10 cm and use align left and align middle to position it neatly. Hold Ctrl Shift and drag to make two more copies of the garland. Align them horizontally to form a beautiful layered look. Apply outer center shadow to each garland. This instantly adds a soft glowing effect. The default setting is perfect. Duplicate the slide. On the second one, add a greeting title, date or messages. Select the first garland, click on correction, set brightness to -50. Now, the second garland, set it to -30. Leave the third one as is for contrast. Resize the first garland to 22 cm. Then, align center and align middle. Then, make the second and third slightly larger. Rotate each one slightly in different direction using the selection pen. This gives your wreath a handmade lively feel. Now, duplicate the slide and update your greeting text. On each version, rotate the garlands again. Go to first slide, duplicate the slide and shift it to the fifth position. Now, select all slides, go to transition and add more transition. You now have a gorgeous animated floral wreath presentation. And thus how you create a festive floral animation in PowerPoint. Quick, easy and stunning. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe and tap the bell for more creative PowerPoint tips.